Hello everyone, welcome back to the Program World channel. So today's lecture is on features of Java. Features in the sense qualities and properties of Java, which are also known as Java buzzwords. Now let's start. See, there are 12 features of Java. Now see, these are the very important features of the Java. Actually, the prime reason behind creation of this Java was to bring the portability and also the security features into the computer language. What does that mean in the sense? Portability, security. These two words actually very major features of the Java. But apart from this, these all like simple, object-oriented, portable, platform-independent, secure, robust, architecture neutral, interpreted, high performance, multi-threaded, distributed, and dynamic. Even this played an important role in molding out the final form of this outstanding language Java. Okay, now coming to simple. So what is simple? Simple in the sense no complexity. There would be no complexity in this Java language. That is, it would be very easy for the programmer to learn, and also that syntax would be very easy, and so that everyone can easily learn, and even they can understand it very easily. Okay, even the complicated and rarely used features also is removed in this Java, like explicit pointers, operator overloading. That pointers lead to unsecureness, so that kind of complicated are being removed in this. Actually, that pointers and operation loading are not at all present in the Java. They are in the C++. So those complexities are being removed in this Java. Next, coming to automatic garbage collections. Actually, Java has automatic garbage collection, due to which we no need to remove any unreferenced object. Okay. Next, that syntax will be based on C++. So the programmers who want to learn after Java C++, it would be very easy for them. Okay. Coming to object oriented, as we all know, in Java all everything everything is present in the form of objects. So Java is considered as the object oriented language. So we can even organize our software as a combination of different types of objects that incorporates both the data and also behavior. Okay, Java can be easily extended as it is based on object model. Next, coming to platform independent in the sense it is not at all dependent of any kind of platform. So if we write once, we can run anywhere. That's why it is so flexible and independent. So what is platform in the sense? It is hardware or software environment in which a program runs. Now there are two kind of platforms, that is software based and hardware based platforms. Okay, the Java platform differs from most other platforms in the sense that is software based platform that runs on the top of other hardware based platforms. It has two components, runtime environment and also API. Because of this, it is called as platform, and we can write once and run anywhere, anytime, in and anywhere. So it is called as the platform independent. Let's see here. See here, if you create a class file, Java will create a bytecode. That bytecode you can run on any platform like Mac OS, Windows, Linux, JVM in the sense Java virtual machines. Now secured in the sense what? Safe, with safeguards. So Java is best known for its security, and we can also develop the virus-free and tamper-free systems. And let me tell you why it is secured, because there would be no explicit pointers. Even the programs, whatever present in the Java, that runs inside a virtual machine sandbox. Because of that, it is called as a secured. Coming to robust, let me tell you what is the meaning of robust. It is strongly built, sturdy, strongly built in programming language. So Java is very strong. Because what reasons it is strong? In a sense, it uses very strong memory management also, and whatever the automatic garbage collections which runs on the Java virtual machines, they get rid of the objects which are not being used by the Java applications anymore. And even the exception handling and the type checking mechanisms are also they are also present in the Java. Because of this, Java is called as robust. Now coming to architecture neutral in the sense, if you take up C programming languages, it has in data type, in the sense integer data type. It occupies 2 bytes of memory for 32-bit architecture and 4 bytes of memory for 64-bit architecture. But in the coming to the Java programming language, it takes 4 bytes for both 32 and 64-bit architectures. So it is considered as neutral. So there will be no implementation dependent features too. If you take example, size of primitive types is fixed, that is very that doesn't change. So because of this, it is called as architecture neutral also. And portable in the sense what we can carry out the it produces a Java bytecode, right? That we can carry to any platform very easily without any implementation. So it is portable. Coming to high performance, Java is an interpreted language, right? When coming to other compiled languages like C and C++, it is little bit slower. But when compared to traditional interpreted programming languages, Java is very fast. Okay, Java is very fast, and also it just is because of why. Let me tell you why high performance is just a runtime compile. Because of this, it is very. It has a very high performance. Okay, I think you have understood this. Java enables high performance with the use of just-in-time compiler. So because of that, it has high performance. Coming to distributed. Java is also a distributed language because program can be designed to run on computer networks. It also facilitates users to create the distributed applications in the Java. If you take RMI and EJB, these are something which are used for creating the distributed application. And this feature of Java makes us able to access files by calling the methods from any machine on the internet. Next, if you take multi-threaded, Java supports multi-threading. That is, it does not necessary for an application to finish one task before starting another. So in this way, we can handle several tasks simultaneously. And the main advantage of this is it doesn't occupy memory for each thread. It just occupies once. That's it. It shares a common memory area, and the things important threads are important for what they are important for web application and also multimedia, etc. Lastly, dynamic in the sense, Java is called as dynamic language because it supports the dynamic loading of the class, which means classes are loaded on demand. If you take it supports functions written in other languages like C and C++. This makes the programmers to use the efficient functions available in that languages. And those functions are called native methods, which can be linked dynamically at runtime. So we can get those functions from them and use them. In simple way, it supports dynamic compilation and all the automatic memory management. That is the garbage collection. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it is very useful and helpful to you guys. And please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell icon for more updates. And please comment on if you have any queries, and also join us in Telegram channel. Thanks for watching this video.